dainty.
Not this big.
Dainty.
No, Michelle, let me call you back in a minute.
Good boy, Steve.
We've got the dogs here to use as security on the gate and around the camp. They're here to search and indicate if people are bringing in weapons or explosives or other contraband. They'll be also used for random searches when needed in and around the IDP camp.
Good boy.
We need them here to enhance the security on the gate for people bringing in contraband. I think also it's a good deterrent, for a visual deterrent. If anybody is thinking of bringing things in, they know we have the capability to find things that are smuggled into the camp.